How to reset Directv stream remote. Now in this video, I'm not going to be showing any types of fancy slideshows. I'm going to be direct to the point of providing you the main instructions and how you can reset Directv stream remote. So first things first is all you have to do is to press and hold the home and exit together until the LEDs shows red. Now, once you hit on the home button and exit button all together or simultaneously, you just wait for maybe around 2 to 3 seconds until you will see the red blinking light on the remote. Now, once the red blinking light is up, you now then press 981 and you have to wait for the blue lights to blink, which makes it as a confirmation that you just did a factory reset out of your remote control. And that's it. That's how you factory reset or reset Directv stream remote.